Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2019 Thor Miramar 32.2 motorhome. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. This coach on the bigger chassis, so you get the big full wall slide in this coach and one slide in the back, and it just really opens it up. Beautiful accents in this coach, light brown interior with the darker wood. Nice craftsmanship on this wood, these cabinets, beautiful little couch right across from the dinette. Just makes it real pleasurable to have guests in. The two seats up front turn around. You can have 6 people in here, easy, 8 people if you like. Nice window right here at the dinette on the passenger side. Corian countertop. Dual sink. Pretty awesome. Nice Moen faucet. You do have the microwave convection, and this is an induction cooktop right here. The TV right here, so it's conveniently located. Here's your panel to do everything in the coach right here. Pretty cool. Coming back here, looks like we have the residential refrigerator freezer with the ice maker in it. And then you have a little pantry area right here. Couple slide out trays down below. Right behind us is the bathroom. Corner shower, a lot of room, good counter space in there. Ambient lighting, fan strategically placed right above the commode. Nice door that slides. Coming back here, you have an area with storage and some slide out trays also in the bottom there. That could double as a washer dryer if you wanted to put one in there. Coming to the back bedroom, and of course this doesn't have any carpet in it, so it's very nice, easy cleanup. But this does feature a king bed, side draft windows over here, open up for ventilation, 2 little side stands, plug-ins down below, a rear emergency exit right here for viewing and for safety in the event of some sort of emergency. Wardrobes, nice big full-length wardrobes with a whole bank of drawers underneath. Great coach. Let's go see what the front has to offer. First thing is, right up above here is an extra bed in case you have people coming over, a lot of people, and you don't want to use the couch or the dinette. You can bring this one down, it's electric, and sleep a couple people up there. This is on the Ford chassis, and this is the bigger chassis, so you get 22.5 tires out here, but you have everything right at the touch of a button. Here you have a huge monitor showing your backup camera and your side cameras, which are integrated into the mirrors on this coach. You have a little drawer desk right here. Nice seating, beautiful levelers, generator start, everything right up here. But the beautiful thing is the panoramic view that you get in this little Class A. Good viewing on the sides, good safety. This is the way to go. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer out here. The coach will feature full body paint, which is a really nice feature. You'll never have to worry about losing your paint job. Has the frameless windows up above. It's on the bigger chassis. This does give you the side open storage, which is very nice, and you'll see that when you come to the other side and you're not bumping your head on that big slide. But look at those storage bays. This is just awesome. And right here is your water tank, so you can get at it. You can drain it if you need to. Right up above it here, that is an outdoor TV. So you can pull the awning out up above, which is an automatic awning, and pull the TV up, have guests over, watch a football game or something. Pretty cool. Again, 22.5 tires on this, aluminum wheels. Your batteries are housed in there, and also your pump to your slide outs. And your propane tank, which is a rather large propane tank right there, so you can go for a long time. You have your ladder to the back, accessing the top, so that you can get up there and take a look at your air conditioning units, whatever the seals around everything. Make sure they're intact. There's your rear egress window. You do have the hitch down here on the bottom. And I think on this Miramar, yeah, that is an 8,000 pound hitch on this coach, so you can tow a ton. Camera up above, fuel located right there, so very easy to fuel up. Coming to the back over here, you do have a 55 Onan generator. And this will be your 50 amp cord with, again, another storage area that goes up and over to the other side. Full wall slide. This is awesome. This is just an awesome coach. There's your wet bay right there. So you have an outdoor shower. You got all your filters, you got your pulls for your sewer, all that stuff right there, conveniently in one compartment, so we'll keep it clean. Another storage area. These have that rotocast molding in there, so if it were to get wet in there, you're not going to have anything absorb into any woodwork or anything. Another storage area right there, and again, this a bigger chassis, so it goes up and over to the other side. This does have the tankless water heater right here, which is pretty cool. You can have kind of hot water as much as you need. And another storage area, so there's no lack of storage in this coach. There's your cameras integrated into the side of the mirror. Again, this is the Miramar 32.2 by Thor. Great coach. We have a number of coaches on the lot. If this one interests you or any of them we have on our campus, feel free to give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the toll-free number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for taking time to watch today.